So it is 2 days after the snowstorm here in Savannah. Things are starting to melt. It's still been pretty cold. And I just want you guys to know that these guys are still with us. They are still with us. They are still kicking. Mud minnows can stay alive. There's ice on the top of this water right now. Yeah. We're going to give them some more water here soon, and when that thaws out all the way, we will give them some more food. These are the same. It is January 23rd, I think, and I caught these with my Thanksgiving leftovers. So, yeah.